you have to answer only one question. What will world look like after 10 to 20 years, and how my business will fit in? If you can answer this question, then you will find the ways to grow your business very quickly, because this is the main and very important question to answer right now, to answer today, because world is changing very fast. You see cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, metaverse, this is the next decade. So what your business will look like after 10 years, what will world look like, and how you are going to merge your business inside that world. If you are struggling today to grow your business, if you are struggling today to sustain in your business, then tomorrow is very dangerous place. It is going to be very risky if you don't find a way to maintain your conditions and grow your business today and tomorrow. The world is changing very fast, and finding answers is not tomorrow's job, it's today. You have to answer this question today, and I would love to hear your answers. Just I'm going to repeat the question. Send what is your business name and send your answers if possible. Okay, what will world look like after 10 to 20 years, and how your business will fit in? So for me, I know my business model. What is the plan for 1 year? What is the plan for 5 years? What is the plan for 10 to 15 years? Not 15, 10 years. My business model is based on internet, and the next wave of internet is Web3. We are going to move from Web2 to Web3, the cryptocurrencies, metaverse, and I know how to merge my business model into the next wave, into the next level of this internet. My business model is very simple, and I have answered the same question I asked you. So if you can answer this question, you are going to grow very fast, and you know what you are doing, and you are aware of whatever the business condition and risk for your businesses. Just answer this question.